Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking at a model home. It's a townhouse, and yes, you're asking why am I looking at a townhouse? Um, because the kids are growing up and they all will be moving out soon, so why not? Oh, how are you?
And next door is open as well.
Okay. So may I ask which unit is this one?
This is called the Belisa home, and next door is the Heartland.
Okay, how many bedrooms?
Well, they can come with 3 or 4.
Okay. What range is that starting price?
The price list is right behind you if you want to.
Okay.
Anything from sort of the mid-5s to the upper 6s.
Okay,
We
five.
have 5 different floor plans in the community and 2 model homes.
519. Okay, thanks. 535, 519. Oh, that's like a Let me see. It's wide right here going upstairs. And you can enter from both sides. I like this. Because that's like the sitting room. Yeah. Too much stairs. I know we have stairs, but it doesn't seem. It's smaller. Small. Very small. Small. O'Neill, wait, to broke off the people them something you come in here. O'Neill, why? Why you broke off the people them something for? It is why is it smaller? So much smaller. Yes, this interior decorator come out. Guys, at one point my house used to look like this. But, you know, I had to adjust to my new environment. Yes. Huh? Because it's on one side. You love new house so much. Yeah, I know, I'm only by walking. But I'm in love with this sofa. Do you know that after they feel ready to sold out, they auction these things off? Yes. When I say auction, it doesn't mean that it's real cheap, but these are some high-end furniture. So if you do scan them, you'll see. But I like the color in here, and the green and the brown is giving me something, you know, that inspo. I love it. It's amazing. I really love the sink here. The sink is real deep. Less cabinet space. Properties have all the upgrades. Look at that painting. Amazing. And the deck comes with it. Comes with the price. It comes with the price. This outside. We haven't been upstairs yet, guys. But I'm in love with the view. Guys, only thing I care about right now is the aesthetics of the house. Because, guys, honestly, we just bought a house 6 years ago. We just built a home. And, you know, this would more be an investment home. But, let's see. This man. This is one busy by. Really, Onion? You just farted in the people them so far? You know that every time you go into. So my husband is upstairs. He's talking about my daughter, and that my daughter should buy this, but she's not ready. She not. Yes, my love. Come give you a what? Wait just a while ago before come give you a what? Give you a what?
Quickie, something like that.
A quickie? We've not just said that a while ago. Look for him, guys. This man is out of order. It's small because we have such a big house. Everything just seems clustered. But it's nice. I am really looking into these consoles, but the gold ones. But I'm going to take a picture of these because I like them too. I wanted to put over my bed. It's smaller. Huh? Let me see the bathroom. Bathroom is, they don't have a tub. I'm peeping like somebody's in here. They don't have a tub, but I like the whole green settings. So it's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. Yeah. I look at for reason. Reason need to buy a house, I must say. Oh, we have something else upstairs, baby. We have a attic. Yes, baby? Take a picture of you? Hold on. There are people up there. So, closet is small. This look like only the closet alone. I have my own closet, dude. It's gonna be hard when I'm ready. When I'm ready to downgrade. I'm telling you. Mommy, if you know what? You ask me, stop the cursing from the live, from a video. We don't want no cursing. Ooh, it's a attic. Yeah, and up here so could be her studio to do her lashes. She could have bring her client them up here to do her lashes, O'Neil. Instead of renting nowhere. I'm not sure. Yeah, she could have bring her client them up here. This is nice. This is definitely a good space, Brizzy. A good floor plan to build in Jamaica too. Oh, nice. So because when we bought ours, it was conventional. I don't know if the time has passed because you have never used a FHA. But if it's 500,000, it's like probably 65. Yeah, probably about 65, 20%. You know, pay down. Similar to what we did. Similar to the numbers that we had. That's beautiful, guys. So this unit is like 700,000. Yeah, 700,000 for this unit. Hey, we have a 7-bedroom house. Where we me not sell my house.